Oh shit. What the fuck going on, your boy YouTube? I said your boy. What the fuck going on, YouTube? It's your boy BigGUCCI, your bitch coochie. One more, yeah, man. Yeah, nah, for real, man. I'm sitting in the motherfucking Wawa parking lot. I don't know. Yeah, nah, this shit more player. But yeah, anyway, man, I ain't posting no videos because I ain't got like no motherfucking content to post. Yeah, but yeah, nah, I'm finna do that bit. I'm back at live effect, you feel me? Finna hit that with the Popeyes chicken sandwich. I ain't get a chance to do that bit the first time, but so I'm finna do that bit now. Yeah. Yeah, and you know what's so fucked up is that I got motherfuckers following behind me. But anyways, that's alright, cause I ain't got voice and shit. But yeah. So bomb, yeah, man, I got the chicken sandwich type shit. I'm finna let y'all motherfuckers know how that bitch go. And you see what I'm saying? Like, that bitch greasy as fuck. You can tell that, you can look at this greasy ass rapper. Like, you can see through that bitch how much grease on that motherfucker. The bun look glazed in the motherfucker. You know, this is probably the best bun. But it ain't really too much shit, man. They got the spicy mustard on there. Spicy mustard at the bottom. 2 pickles. Yeah. Pretty much it, man. But yeah, man. I'm finna go ahead, bite that motherfucker, see what's going on. I actually got 2 of them motherfuckers. I was gonna take. Shut the fuck up. But yeah, I got 2 of them motherfuckers, man. See what these shits hitting for. Yeah. 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 Yeah, that bitch bustin'. That bitch bustin'. I gotta give him that. Hold on. I gotta drop my motherfucking green tea in this bitch. That bitch, yeah. That bitch the real deal Holyfield. Remember how much I said it's like, it's a lot of grease on that motherfucking wrapper. The sandwich, the chicken, like, it's not dry. And I think that's what make that bitch so good. It ain't dry at all. Like, it ain't dry by a long shot. Let me see if I can get one of them pickles in there. I used to be a fat boy, so it ain't really shit to eat food fast as fuck. So I probably finish this bitch in like 4 bites. Yeah. 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 That shit hit to the bitch. Huh. That shit, yeah. This is actually fucking busting, huh? Yeah, that shit is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man, this shit's good as fuck. Oh, I don't even know what the fuck to say, man. Oh, shit, I ain't do a YouTube video in a minute, man. So I guess I'll update you. I'm not going to the Navy no more. Fucked up. I suffer from audible hallucinations, man. Schizophrenia and all that good shit. I really think it's just motherfuckers playing with me. But, you know, that's some crazy person to say. Yeah. But yeah, man. So yeah, nah, I ain't going to the Navy no more. I don't stay in my bougie ass neighborhood no more, man. That's pretty much it. Your boy finally got his own whip right now, man. So that's it, yeah, man. I ain't really finna give you too much of my goddamn life. I will be posting more videos, man. I just need a fucking computer. You know? Something happened to my computer. My computer got like lost in translation or some shit like that. But anyways, man, this sandwich is good as fuck. Alright, like, nah, for real. Like, if you ain't got one of these motherfuckers, I stood in line for like 18 minutes. I actually Hold on. Yeah. I stood in line for about like 18 minutes to get the sandwich. Like, it ain't bad, man. I turned on a fucking movie in the goddamn driveway. Drive-through, driveway, whatever the fuck you want to call it, bro. But yeah. That's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, man, if you ain't get this sandwich, go get your fat ass one. I know you fat as fuck because you live in America. Even if your ass at the right size, you obese. Look. Now I'm just capping my shit though. Yeah, man, that's it. Oh yeah, shit, fuck that. I ain't got too much to say, man. That's pretty much it. But yeah, man, it's your boy BigGUCCI and your bitch Coochie, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I think I got like 53 subscribers. Shout out to all y'all. Shout out to everybody that subscribe to my channel, man. Yeah, that's it, bro. Right. I'm that big. Stop the fucking video, damn. I'm in this bitch.